Alright, here we are. A lot of dust at the moment, which I hate, because it's dusting up my woodwork up here. But we're cool. I'm going to try to get rid of some of these paint spots just to see how many come out. And then below that, there's a bunch of stains where a bunch of beer went down at one point. But that adds to the story. I'll use this stuff here, phosphate-free Savo-Gran. I've got about a half a bucket of water. I'm going to put a couple of handfuls of this stuff in it. I actually have a measuring cup out here. Maybe I'll measure it. That's a third of a cup. Let's put about a half a cup in 2.5 gallons of water and see how it does. That says phosphate-free, but to tell you the honest truth, I kind of like phosphates. Now we've got a professional grade mop in there. One of these things, Harbor Freight. 17-in-1. Now this one might have come from the Home Depot. Let's see how it does. Alright, maybe that'll be better. Maybe that'll work. Alright, here's plan B. This is my special cleaner, and it's about half of a cup, a quarter of a cup, and 2.5 gallons of water. This cleaner is actually an acid based on lemon juice, D-limonene. We're going to see if acid does any better than this TSP, which is a base. We'll see what happens. Probably neutralize each other and do nothing. That's my expectation.